Yes, sir, it's visible.
So very next and very starting part we are going to see today, that will be taking here what? We'll be taking few network devices, few PCs, few laptops here, and we'll be understanding how actually traffic flows. Okay. And whatever things we will be discussing today, I hope few of them you guys are not aware already. No worry for that. In upcoming classes, I'm going to tell you all the things in detail. But right now, let's understand few things, how our traffic flows actually. So this is a router. See, this is a router, and the work of router is helping your devices to do communication in different networks. Okay. And here I'm taking a switch. And we can take, for example, few more switches on here as well. One more router, one here as well. Okay. Let's connect them together. So this is router, a network device. This is switch, a network device. Switch we use actually once you are working in a company, most probably you everyone have seen, like people are sitting in a room, or I'm talking about some small company. They're in a room. Actually, IT engineer actually do what? IT engineer will assign IP from the same range to everyone is sitting in a room, and they all will be connected with one switch. That switch is there to give connectivity within LAN. Like once you want to connect so many users, they are sitting within a local room or within a room in the company. So they are in backend, in behind, there is a switch that is a networking device who helps actually to connect all those users all together. So this is a device that connect multiple users available in your LAN, local area network, or you can say normally in a room or in a department. Hypothetically, I'm saying, okay, I'm just connecting cables, and these are the cables that is really connected with your PC and your switch. So if you guys have remember, once you are going in your company, not talking right now, there are so many things are now changed. Most probably if you are entering in your company, you'll be automatically connected with some wireless device like Wi-Fi. But just go little bit 2 3 4 years back, then once you were entering in the company, at your workstation you'll be seeing that RJ45 cable. Let me show what cable I'm saying. Let me go all the way to the image. See, this type of cable you will be getting there, this type of plug, right? Connector, you can say in short. And what was the requirement there? If you want to connect with internet, or if you want to connect and want to do communication with other user in that same company or the same department, you were connecting this behind your what? By in the back side of your CPU or laptop, left side or right side somewhere. These with the RJ45 available port. Okay, I'll be showing you very soon like how this port look like. But this was the cable, if you guys able to relate with that, the same thing I'm talking about here. So what happened in this case? Okay, what happened in that case? Once you are connecting this cable with your laptop or PC, this is one end only, right? See, there are two ends. And what about the another end? That second end will be connected somewhere with some switch there in your network. And it happens with all the users. So one user is connecting this port, one port with the laptop or computer, another port is already connected with some switch. So in this way, all the PCs are connected with each other. Why? Because the switch is there acting as some intermediary device, and it is helping all of them to be connected with each other. I hope it's making sense to everyone. I am just taking here two PCs. Otherwise, there could have you would have so many other PCs. Okay. But just for demonstration purposes, I am taking here two PCs here. I hope you guys are able to relate. Yeah. Further, what happened? This switch extended and connected with some what? Some layer 3 device. This device is really there, that is called router, that will help your all the users are here in your local area network if they want to go in some other network, another network, or if they want to go on internet. So this device will really help those internal users to reach on internet. I hope everyone is getting it. Yes, no, guys, tell me. Yeah, I'm expecting few yes, no. Hi, hello, some shout, my guys. I just want to listen something like from you. Sonal is saying yes, sir. Thank you. Vishwajit, yes. Yeah, hi Ram Gopal, you're getting it. Sanjeev, Vikas.
From router, we need to get an ISP connection.
Your voice is very slow. Okay, no issue. You will be fine if you are saying in the chat. That's good. So let's go ahead and extend that. Let's suppose if any internal user or any user in your local area network. Let me segregate using some design part here. So let's suppose this is your LAN. This is another LAN is somewhere else in the company. We are going. Hi, Ramgopal. Okay, you're okay. And what next? Let me remove it. Now on, I am going and connecting this router with another router. And again, I'm going and connecting with this router with another switch. Then with both the PCs. Very slow I am going. Will explaining you all the way. This is let's suppose LAN 1, or you can say this is let's suppose HR department. Now in this way you'll be able to good and you'll be able to relate. This is your router. I am just extending this and doing what? Let me take another router and let me make that router here. And let me do what? Let me just use it like ISP or internet. I'm saying. Is that okay? So what is happening here? I am going here again, not like that. I am taking this router. Oh, only two ports it had. Okay, no issue. Let me go and add few more ports. It had only two ports. Name covers. This is okay. Very fast port is this. This is key combination port of Cisco industry. That's good. We shut down it. Can I use it here? No. Model is not compatible. Then where can I add that? Which port is this? The 100 base category 5. Let me see if it is okay. I think this is wrong. This place. Okay. What is this? Provides 4 switching ports. So that's good. No issue. I picked the wrong one. No issue. Let me do one thing. What I can do? I'm removing this one. That is some another thing I'll be telling you during the class. Do not worry about that. But right now, I do not want to go in that way. I'll be taking another router from here that will be showing you all the required things. This is router 3. Let me take it all the way. Most probably it should have more ports. Going on only one. Okay. It has gig. Can I connect this to here? Yeah, I can connect this serial port. That cannot be connected to this port. Wait, that I took another one sec, guys. This is fast Ethernet. You know why I'm not able to connect this? This is something that is called, if you guys have gone through, like, this is another type of cable. See this denotion, if anyone is already aware about, this is called somewhere fiber optic cable. Okay. Nowadays, this is becoming very popular, and you can see in your company even this type of cable is already there. That's why it is not going. I am taking here from just type of something Ethernet cable, but this is where I want to connect. That is not similar type. If I'll be taking this, most probably it will be connect, or not the wrong way. If I'm taking this and going this, see now it took, but I'll be not taking that. One sec, guys, just give me one moment. Okay, I am going and doing what? I'm going and all the way coming and deleting this. Why? I'll be telling you why I'm doing that. Let me take another router just to show you, nothing else. Let be more practical. Okay. What next? I'll be taking this cable here. We'll connect here, and we'll go all the way here. I connected. See, and now I want to make this internet. Why I took this cable there, guys? In upcoming sessions, you are literally going to understand why we use fiber optic cables or optic cables in your internet connections, like, or the connection from your company to somewhere, your ISP. Here I'll be connecting normal. No, not this one. If you guys will see, then don't wonder about why I am connecting with different type of cables. If you guys ever seen very closely, then you will be coming to know, like, here this cable is looking something different. This is like a straight line. This particular line is looking like something dot, and this is in another color. So these all are the different cables, and the purpose of having those cables are different, and the connection where we use this type of cables, they are also different. So very soon, like in our upcoming classes, or I can say from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, once that section will come, you guys are going to see how and why we are using these different cables between different devices, and what are the significance of both the cables or different cables. Okay, so do not worry or be strange about that. By seeing, I'll be telling you everything in detail. Okay, so this is the topology only. So what I did, this is HR department, this is sales department, and HR department has this router, who is the edge router for your HR department. You can say very big company you are working, there are so many users in only this department. In HR, let's suppose 1000 HR people are there. I'm just hypothetically saying there is a sales team having so many users. We cannot actually represent all the users here, but at least understand or just take it just like hypothetical thing. That's it. Now let's go and see very important thing. Now we'll be going and giving IP to our PCs. How can you configure IP to your PCs? Guys, tell me, what are the methods of configuring IP on your real PC? Anyone have any idea, like, how you give IP? Windows PC I'm talking about.
Those configuration protocol we can
Yeah.
that is assigned. We can also configure by going to the network configuration page.
Ram Gopal, your voice is very slow. Can you please come little closer to your mic,
I'm
please?
really sorry about that.
Yeah, now it's okay.
I was away. That's why. Actually, we can use DHCP so that the IP address can be dynamically assigned,
Correct. You can use
or
we can use DSC.
configure IPs on the computer by going to the network configuration page.
You are right. Correct. You are right. Correct here. So
But
let
I
me
don't know
show
how
you.
to.
Yeah, this was the way actually. Either we can go on what? We can go directly and do what? We can go directly and can configure IP using DHCP. So DHCP will be doing our job in backend. correct? But if we do not have DHCP, then we have another way of doing the configuration. Let me show you, just allow me one moment. Let me take access of the rack that we have in our NextGen 137, 59, 52, 139. Yes, we need to obtain an internet connection from the router to the other device, right? Yeah. So no issue, correct? So let me take and let me show you how you will be doing. If you are knowing, that is good. If you don't know, let me tell you how you do and how Cisco is really different. Cisco is showing all these things for the simulation only. That's it. This is not the real PC. This is some PC that is already simulated by your Cisco. So the interface will look like this. Once you will be clicking on here, it will look like this. Okay. And if you want to configure some IP, then you need to go on, not physical. This is the physical layout. You need to go on config section. Here, you can directly go and configure IPC. It is saying default gateway, DNS server, and static IP, all those things. And you'll be selecting the interface and you can do configuration. Like once you'll be clicking on fast Ethernet 0, here you can do configuration, right? Or if you want to take more things here, then go to desktop and see. So many different things are here. From here, even you can take what? You can take its CMD access as well, as we do in our normal Windows PC, like running CMD command, right? This is the command prompt. All these things are available here. Just before going here, I want to show you how you will do in the real device. 137.59. I think this should be that one. Yes. Sit. Oh, I don't know the username and password. No issue. Later on, I'll be telling. Let me on another server. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, let me show you this part. Okay. You guys are okay with that? So how I'll be doing the configuration here? Don't worry. Later on, I'll be showing some other way. Let's focus here. Go on config. Then go on your interface. What is the interface on PC that is connected to switch? That is FA0. In short, this is FA0, but in long, this is called fast Ethernet 0. Go here and give IP. Let me give here 192. 168, 1 dot, not like that, very simple, 10.111.1. That's it. You guys are following what I did. I did 10.111. That's it. Okay. Coming outside. Here I am going and giving here. We'll go all the way config. We'll click on here. We'll go here. See here. What MAC address is already there. It is saying static. In IPv4 address, I am giving here address 10.112 and subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. That's it. Now see, if you guys remember, in very starting, what I said switch connects multiple devices with each other within LAN. If this switch is connecting multiple devices within LAN, so most probably if I just want to say some hello, hi to my PC1, I'll be able to do that, right? So let's go and validate that if I'm able to do. And in networking, hello, hi means what? Ping. I am going and saying hello to whom? To my 10.112. Who is 10.112? PC1. See, PC1 is 10.112. I just gave that IP, guys. You guys are following with me? Everything till here understanding? If not understanding, say no. Any question, then ask. Feeling free to speak in Hindi, then okay. And if understanding, then say yes.
Yes, guys, if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask Muhammad Atif, Ram Gopal, Richard, Sanjeev, Sayyed, Arun, anyone.
Okay, no issue. Considering no query. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you ping
So,
with the IP 10.1.1.2, why it does not give any response? Did you press enter?
huh?
When you try to ping with the IP 10.1.1.2, why it does not give any response? Did you
Your
press
voice is
enter?
really it's coming very slow, Ram Gopal. I really sorry for that.
No, no, no. I feel sorry for that. It's my bad. I'm sorry.
Ramgopal, are you using any like headphone, any
Yeah,
hands free?
yeah. I will use headphone.
Yeah, now
I'm
it's
audible
clear.
now.
It's clear now.
Yeah, yeah. Now, can you please come up again, Ram Gopal, and
Yeah, sure,
say?
sure. You're trying to ping with IP 10.1.1.2, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please press enter so that we can see what is the response?
Yeah, let me do it. Yeah. So it is giving reply. See, once I am pinging from PC0, PC0 has 10.1.1.1. Okay. It has 10 and it has I gave 10.1.1.2. And who is connecting both the PCs? This switch. And it means they are all together connected with each other. However, using some medium that is switch here. So once I am going on my PC0 and I am saying hello 10.1.1.2. So it is going. But I am saying hello 10.1.1.2. Who is 10.1.1.2? Technically PC1 is 10.1.1.2. And why this I need to do it directly like typing the IP here? Because till now we never told our PC0 okay who is 10.1.1.2. If I am going on my PC and I'm saying to my PC0 okay listen, once you want to say anything hi hello to PC1, then you can say like if I'm pinging like this, what I'm saying here PC1, will it go? But visually, if you guys see, then what will happen here? It is PC1, isn't it? Are you guys following? Why it's not going right now? Because it doesn't have any entry for what? For your PC1. And for what entry I'm talking about? I'm talking about that is called DNS entry. And what is DNS entry, guys? Let's suppose you are pinging google.com, you are pinging nextgenitcourses.com, or you are pinging instagram.com or facebook.com. What happened in backend? That facebook.com is being converted in the form of some IP. Okay. Don't worry about that. I am directly pinging the IP. Later on, I'll be telling you about the DNS as well. Don't worry. I hope till here you guys are follow. Okay, okay, Atif, thank you. Yes. So means I am able to reach 10.1.1.2. Okay, that's good. Now I'm just extending this topology further and I am going on my router and configuring some IP on G000 interface. And how will be doing? Go to config. And what interface is connected here? That is gig 000. And where is that? Here is it. I am going and configuring it 10.1.1.10. That's it. It's done. Okay. Following, guys. And port status, let me do it on. Why I am doing it on? Because by default, your router's interfaces are in down state. And what about your switch? Switch already, once you will be bringing it brand new, you are ready to go. You just plug the devices with the ports and that your switch starts working. But this really is not in the case of your router. In router, once you are bringing brand new, you need to manually put that interface up. See, I am putting it up. You guys are following? Till here, okay? And IP I gave here 10.1.1.10. Let me put it here for your better understanding. It has 10.1.1.10. Till here following. Now let's go 10.1.1.10. Like router is also connected with the switch. Means what? So if anything is connected with this switch, means they all are connected with each other, guys. Means from PC0, I was able to say hi to 10.1.1.2 and I was getting reply from 10.1.1.2. Let's see, will I get any reward from 10.1.1.10 as well? So let's go on PC0 and do the same. I am going and saying, hey, 10.1.1.10. Oh, technically I am getting. What does that mean? That means PC0, PC1, and this router 0, they all can talk with each other. Till here following, guys? Very simple thing we are discussing, we are seeing today. But as we'll be going onward, going in further, or will be increased towards the another topic. So what will happen here? Let me tell you, this will be going little bit difficult now. What about if I want to talk with this router 3? Will this PC be able to talk with router 3, guys? Right now, we haven't configured any IP. So let's go and configure some IP on this interface of router and some IP of this interface of the router. Then let's see what is going to be happen. Routers gig 001, right? This is gig 001. And in what way I came here till here? See, I went my router, one time left click, and this interface popped out. I just did what? I just moved all the way and pressed on config. See my cursor closely. And then I came all the way here. And now I want to give here another IP. That is, let's suppose 21110. And we'll bring the interface up. This one is done. Let's go on router 3 and on this interface, that is F00. Let's give some IP here as well. And how will be giving IP? Go on config and F fast Ethernet 0x0. FA means fast Ethernet. FA means fast Ethernet. 0x0 means fast Ethernet 0x0. And the same range IP I am giving here, that is 10.21.1.11. And again, we'll turn it on. See here, port status is not by default checked. Means it is shut down. Once I'll be clicking on, it will be on. See? Now question can come in two way. First, can I say hello from router 0 to router 3? And another question would be there. Can I say hello from PC0 to if PC0 wants to say hello to router 3, will it be able to, or will it be succeed? Two type of question could be there. So first let me go on router and let me check if I am able to reach where. If I am able to reach here from this router to router 3. Let me see it. I am want to saying hello from here to here. In the simulation, now keep close your eyes, guys, and see. Is it going or no? I am playing it. It is sending hello. Just wait. Yes, I am able to send that. What does that mean? That means I configured IP on this router's gig 0001 interface. I configured IP on router. Wait, it works. So it do actually so many things in backend. So that's why it's happening. Don't worry about that. Gradually we'll be heading towards other topics. I'll be telling why that was happening. Come to the point, guys. Router 0 gig 001 interface have IP we configured. Router 3 F0x0 interface we configured IP. Now we are able to literally reach from one location to another location. Like what? We both can talk with each other. Like if I am sending this in the opposite direction, let's see then what is going to be happen. I want to send hello from router 3 and where? To router 0. See, guys. Is this successfully going and coming, guys? Tell me. Definitely yes. Correct. See, this symbol is saying yes, exactly. We are able to successfully do that. That's good. Let's move ahead and give IP here or some another way. We used here 20 range. Let me give and write down here IP for you all. So later on, once you are seeing this topology, you will have idea. I am using here 20.1111. Now let's go. Here we use 10.1.1.1, 10.1.1.2, here 10.1.1.10. Let's use here 192.168.1.1. Let's use here 192.168.1.2. Let's use here 192.168.1.11. I hope you guys are following till here. Anyone from the audience, can you please help me to configure the IP on PC2, guys? Tell me. Any of you? MD Athip, Richard. Hey, Richard. Sanjeev Kumar, Arun P, Syed, Ram Gopal, any of you?
Yes,
Will
sir.
you please come up and please help me to configure IP on my PC2? IP is already written here. Don't care about the subnet mask. Just tell me how to configure IP. Rest part, let it take by default. Yes, please. Syed, you wanted to say something? No, you do not want to,
Can I-
really?
Can I help?
Hey, hi, Richard. Yeah, please.
So you click on the PC,
I clicked.
then go to the desktop,
Yes.
and then IP configuration.
Yeah, this is another way. Okay. Thank you, Richard, for going there. Okay. Then, okay, this way, right?
Yeah. Then now
192, 168, 1. Yes, that's okay. Thank
yes.
you. Anyone else?
Okay.
Thanks, Richard. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
What the method I gave there for PC0 and PC1? Anyone want to say in that way? This was another way of doing the configuration. I just wanted not to tell that. Well, I was just put that for later use, like today only. Sanjeev, will you please come up and please say how to configure IP on PC3? Don't hesitate, man. Don't hesitate. I really don't know about your face. Don't worry. I will not tell anyone that you told that. Just please come up. Jokes part, I'm saying. Just come up and please tell. No. Okay, guys, let me do it. If you do not want to participate. So what I did here literally, because we want to configure something, so I'll be going in the config part. Desktop, there are so many things all together, like even the IP configuration is also there. But I'm not going there because I just need to do config. And for that, almost all the NICs are available in this section. So I'll be going simply here and we'll click on fast Ethernet 0. And we'll give here another IP that is 192.168.1.2. That's it. We'll come outside and that's done. And what about a router 3 F1 by 0? I'll be going there on router 3 again in the config section. Then we'll go and give this IP. Already it is here, config F1 by 0. And I will go and give IP here 192.168.1.11. That's good. That's it. And that's good, guys. And we'll do what? Don't forget to turn it on, like put it on. It was by default off. This is very simple stuff. Yes, Ram Gopal. I'm just giving IP configuration. I'm just doing IP configuration. That's it. So whatever IP I'm giving here, that is related what? That is already mentioned here. You just need to go in the very first step on every device and do that configuration that is mentioned in this topology. That's it. Very simple stuff. Is that making sense, Ram Gopal, now, or I need to explain it? I'm physically accessing them actually. Okay. Okay, Ram Gopal. So what I am doing, I am just clicking on it, and this is packet tracer, and everything is already simulated here. Once you will be clicking and picking up any devices and they are up. So what will happen? All the interfaces will be on your screen. Okay, this is not like I'm taking any device remote. No. That part I put there for later usage. Okay, I'll be telling once that part will come. All right. So this is all, this is it only, Ram Gopal. So what is happening in this case? These all the devices are already available and they are okay and working condition. Good. Is that okay?
Sir, yes, yes.
Okay. So there are few more devices are still pending. Let's go and do also configuration on those devices. Let me go ahead and do that. Very simple stuff, guys. You will be understanding literally very well. Router 3 that is connected to internet. I am going on router 3 and F4Y0 interface. F4Y0, right? This way. First, I'll be turning it on and I'll be giving here IP that is 11.1.1.1. And here I'm going on this router. That what interface this is connected? F4Y0, right? In config F4Y0 and giving 11.11. That's it. And don't forget to turn it on. Okay. Come click on here. You'll be coming back from internet. All the IPs are done, guys, till here. So let me help you very quick how you'll be doing in your lab. After finishing this class, I'll be sharing you this particular file. And believe me, guys, that file will be blank. So what you'll be doing, or just take a snip, okay, and you just make all these lab in your this topology in your own lab. I'll be sharing you the link from where you can download this Cisco Packet Tracer, okay. And once that is downloaded and installed on your laptop or PC, then you can directly go inside, log in, and you can take all the devices from here and you can do all these configuration part. I just did simple configuration. That's it. How many of you already know all these and how many of you are now learning it and you are getting it fine? Just I want to listen from you before before moving ahead. I understand. Thanks. Thank you, Ram Gopal. Someone else who understand it now and I'm okay to go ahead now. Guys, please, would request everyone, please participate, guys. At least say yes, no, whatever you are feeling right now. Hi, Richard. Thank you. Expecting more answers or more comments here. Or you guys can unmute and speak. No issue. MT Atif, Sanjeev, Sayyed. There are many in this. Arun. Arun is going and coming. Okay, I am expecting you guys are understanding. So what we did till now? Let me really help you with the notes. So this type of note you are going to get actually. So IP configuration on the devices. So how our topology is looking like, let me give you really very quick view. Let me take a snip of that. That I'll be sharing with you, don't worry, okay?
How are you going to share it?
In the format of some PDF or something
the-
like that. Yeah?
No, how do we get in the WhatsApp group?
You are in the WhatsApp group?
Richard,
I
my
mean,
counselor, our team will get back to you for the same. Okay, Richard? After the class.
we-
Sorry? 。
okay.
One sec, guys. I'm just want to put it there. I hope my screen is going through and you guys are able to see that. Okay, let me come outside. Allow me one moment, guys. Yeah, just 1 second. I'm just plugging charger, okay? That's why I just stop sharing the screen. 1 second. Anytime it can go down. Thank you for waiting, guys. I'm back. I'm back again. Let me share again with this. So what I'm going to do here, what I did, I just went all the way. Is the screen through? For PC0, what I did, I went and clicked on this and all the way I navigated to config and then all the way fast Ethernet 0 and I put here all the IPs. So let's suppose if I am writing it like, one sec, let it come up. Even it can also work, that's good. So, yeah, IP configuration, right? This was the thing where I was. PC0, clicked on PC0. Then what I did, navigate to config, then navigated to fast Ethernet 0 and filled their IP 10.1.1.1 mask as 255.0.0.0 in all the way I did for other PCs as well. I hope screen is visible and everyone is able to see the text. Otherwise, I'm just increasing the size. And the same way I did for PC1. Yes, no, guys, getting it? I did here too. That's it. Nothing is changed. The same way. And once it comes to this router 0, see this is router 0. I went all the way on router 0. Again, followed the same method. Router 0. Clicked on PC1. Clicked on router 0. And I gave here 10. I hope everyone is okay till here. And again, I went to router 0. On another interface, and that interface is gig 00. Sorry, interface is here gig 000. Okay. First go here, gig 0x0x0. Might be it was looking there something else. See, this was gig Ethernet 0x0. You can again go here and if this is allowing to copy. No, it's not allowing, no issue. In short, I'm putting that gig 0 by 0 by 0. All right. And let me copy it. Ethernet 0. Here, this is gig Ethernet 0 by 0 by 1. And the IP is, what is the IP there, guys? Gig 001 21.110, right? 21.110. Guys, समझ पा रहे हो सब? Hello? कि मैंने जो किया वही लिख रहा हूं, okay? What I have done so far, I am just writing it here. So once you are doing this configuration, you will feel okay. Now let's go on router number 1, that is router number 3, and clicked on router number 3 and went all the way navigate to config and gig. There is no gig, I hope. That is fast Ethernet 0 by 0. I'll be going all the way and will put here fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Fast Ethernet 0 by 0. And we'll give here IP, that is 20.1.1.11. Again, we'll go here on the same router and we'll do what? We'll do configuration for another interface that is connected on your sales local area network, that is F fast Ethernet 1 by 0. That's good. And that particular have the IP of 192.168.1.11 if you guys see. If you guys see very closely, see 192.168.1.11. And again, we'll go and we'll see like what is the IP there. That is 11.1.1.1 and interface is fast Ethernet 4 by 0. Again, we'll go on router. Sorry. Router has gone. Router 3 is the interface. That is fast Ethernet. What was that? Sorry, I just want to check. F4 by 0. And the IP is here. I think 11.111, right? Yeah. That's good. And what about the mask? I need to change mask here because this is class C IP. Once I'm saying class C, don't be strange like what is class C, class A, all these things. You guys are going to learn that in our upcoming classes. And on router 3, this interface is done. F4 by 0 is done. Rest of the things are same. What about lower PCs that they are behind your router 3? That is PC2 and PC3. Go to PC2. All the way I went there and clicked on config and again on the same interface, that is fast Ethernet 0 and gave here IP what? See, this is the IP I gave. So I'll be taking it from all the way from here. I clicked on PC2. All the way I went to fast Ethernet 0 by 0 and gave their IP 192.168.1.1. And the subnet mask was by default it was taking. However, I'm mentioning it. So make sure you are putting it by you, like you are typing that. On PC3, let me copy it. PC3, go all the way PC3 and give here 2. That's it. Now what about ISP? Clicked on ISP. Navigate. Same way, guys. Navigate to config. Then the interface name, just see that is interface name is F4Y0. Fast Ethernet 4x0 and configure IP as 11.112 and mask means here subnet mask I'm talking about. And that is done. So till now what we have achieved? This part. And what was that? IP configuration. I hope everyone is following this. Yes, no, guys. Yeah. So what is next? Let's go ahead and validate if all the devices are reachable within the segment, like within the network or not. Once that will be done, we'll be heading and moving ahead and we'll see something else. All right. So let's go and see that. See, guys, PC0, I was able to reach PC1, correct? PC0, I was able to reach 10.1.1.10 like router. From this router, let's check if I am able to reach to router 3 or not. And what is the IP here? That is 221.110. Here is we have 221.111. Let's go on router 1, go your CLI and ping 20.1111. See, I am able to reach. Means all the way I am able to reach from this router to router 3. That is good. Let's go ahead and see from router 3 if that is reachable to PC2 or not. Again, go to CLI. You can even come here as well, it will work. Ping. Who is downside there, guys? PC2, right? What is the IP of PC2? 192.168.1.1. Am I able to reach there? Yeah, technically, yeah. Let's go on PC number 3, that is 1.2. Am I able to reach there? Let's see. I'm able to reach. What about my internet? Am I able to go from router 3 to internet? Let's see. What is the IP of internet? 11.1.1.2. Ping 11.1.1.2. Let's see. Yes, I am reachable. Till here following, guys. Yes, no. Very simple stuff we have seen so far. So like within the network, we are able to reach. Once I'm talking about network, this was the one network. This was one network. Here is another network, another segment. You can say this is another segment. What about if I want to go from PC0 to somewhere PC2? Or what about if I want to reach from this router to here somewhere, that is PC2? So here this is in the different network and this PC2 is in different network. So let's see if we are able to go there or not. How will be able to go there? This could be a question, isn't it, guys? What do you say? Very simple stuff I'm telling you guys here. Not hard, very simple. So let me go on my PC0 and going on simulation. And I'm taking a packet from here and going from all the way, putting here like I want PC0 to say hi to PC2 and see what is happening. Wait, man. Oh, this is saying DTP. Okay. 1 second, let it go in first real time. Sometimes there are so many things are working in backend. Okay, I'm now coming to Yeah. Whew. You know what is happening? Let me go directly within the PC. And how I'll be go and do whatever thing we need. There are in the desktop section. Let me come here real time. In the desktop section, you have so many things. Go here in the command prompt and see. We have achieved that before. IPing 10.1.1.10, that was here your router. We did so many things. Now let me go and ping the IP of your PC2. And what is the IP of PC2, guys? Tell me. What is the IP of PC2? Are you guys are able to see my screen? Yes, no? Devender, Atif, Sanjeev, Syed. Are you guys are able to see my screen? I am pinging 192.168, 1.1. This is the IP of PC2C. Here I have written already. Okay. Once I am clicking and saying like this, clicking and pressing enter button, it is saying request timed out. And what does that mean? Why it's coming like this? Any idea, guys, to anyone? Why I'm not able to reach there? Tell me if you know. Yeah. I am able to reach from PC0 to here, that is 10.1.1.2. Here, that is 10.1.1.2. Sorry, this is 10.1.1.10. This is 10.1.1.2. But why I am not able to PC2? Even they are connected with each other, not connected with each other, but somehow they are connected, right? See, PC0 is connected to switch. Switch again is connected to this router. Router this with this router with this switch with PC2. But why I am not able to reach there? And that particular thing is called backend of your networking. And once you learn how your network flows in backend, then you automatically will understand why it is not able to reach there. Okay. So for reaching there, you should have good connectivity and you should have all the devices who is responsible to perform that particular connectivity set and configured well. Okay. So what is happening in this case? Once I am saying from PC0 to reach PC2, PC0 is doing what? Let me show you by showing the in the simulation mode. I am going on my PC0 and pressing this and see. One packet is showing here. You open this and read what it is saying. It is saying the ping process starts the next ping request. The ping process creates an ICMP echo message, like the same thing we are saying ping, right? So what it is doing, it is trying to say hello. The source IP address is not specified, like source IP address is checked. And once the destination IP address it is checking, it is saying it is not in the same subnet and is not the broadcast address. The default gateway is not set. The device drops the packet. Very simple question from all of you. Guys, tell me, once you are sitting in a room and you want to go outside, then how you will go outside? Most probably everyone will see and look at, okay, is there any gate? Using that, I can go outside, isn't it, guys? Let's suppose you are sitting in a room and you want to go outside. So what path you will take? Most probably you will be looking out like, is there any gate or something from where I can take an exit, right? Yes, no? Am I correct? Devendra, Richard, Sanjeev and Syed? Yeah. So go outside from any room or any hall. What path you will take? Most probably you will looking out for any gateway or any gate. If you are getting any exit gate, most probably you will take that gate and you will go outside. In the same way, once this PC0 is able to identify the network I want to go, that doesn't belong to my HR team. However, that is somewhere else. That is not the part of my own network. So what it will do? It will try to find out who is my gateway. And who is gateway here? This device. This device is really responsible for sending anything from this network to somewhere else. But once you will be go on your PC0 and run this command, then what you will be seeing here? Once you are going on this PC, ipconfig, the command that we run on our Windows PC, right? See, is there any gateway set? That is nothing, right? So once you need to set what? Now you really need to set this gateway. And how will you set that? Now this is the time what Richard says at that time, right? Once I asked like how to do configuration, he said like go all the way in desktop, then click on IP configuration, correct? From here, we'll not be able to see. Anyway, yeah, we can see here, see? Directly in the global, you can go and set default gateway. And what is the default gateway? That is 10.1.1.2. And once you are saying here 10.1.1, not 2, that is 10. I really apologize. Then what will happen? If now PC0 wants to go anywhere that is not the part of this particular network, so to whom it will send that traffic to? Its gateway, right? Now if I am going again, so see, the error would be there, but that would be something different. Again going and clicking on simulation, again opening this and running the same command. Now go and read this. Oh no, just let it go. Till here, this is doing ARP resolution. That is done. Keep waiting. Now ARP is already resolved. Now let's go and see. Again, going the simulation, going on PC0. See what is happening. Wait. Yes. It went all the way. It is going. Yes, yes, yes. It's dropped. Now read this. And it is sending back one message as well. And that is ICM. And what is there in this message? You can read. ICMP process received a host unreachable message. Earlier it was getting this type of message. First time when I pinged, it was saying request timed out, right? But after setting my gateway, it is saying destination host unreachable. And who is sending it? This destination host unreachable to PC0, this router. Getting it, guys? Okay. Anyone here from management? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. I just wanted to understand if people are getting it or not. Can you please help me out in that?
Oh, sure. So, Devender, Richard, Sanjeev, Syed, anyone? If you are getting, please let us know. If you have any doubt, any query.
Are you speaking Hindi, sir? Please.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल 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 देवेंद्र जी आप पूछिए क्या कोई डाउट है कोई क्वेरी है देखिए पता क्या
सर
सेशन होता है ना अगर आप कोई डाउट है कोई क्वेरी अगर आप पूछोगे तो हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा अमित सर को भी अच्छा लगेगा आपके डाउट क्लियर होंगे क्योंकि देखो इन दी एंड जो अगर कई बार क्या है कि अगर आप कुछ हेजिटेट करोगे ना तो उससे आपके ही डाउट अंदर रह जाएंगे
हाँ या सर एक्चुअली सर आई एंड गेट अंडरस्टैंड सर थोड़ा हिंदी में इलेबरेट करेंगे तो थोड़ा बेस्ट होगा प्लीज
ओके ओके गुड 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 सो
जी
अभी
जी सर
अभी तक आपने ये समझ लिया आईपी कैसे देते हैं ये देखो मैंने नोट्स में भी लिख दिया है
सर प्लीज एक बार रिपीट करेंगे तो बेस्ट होगा।
तो मैंने क्या किया, सब पे इंटरफेस पे आईपी देने के लिए बहुत ही सिंपल सा तरीका अपनाया। क्यों अपनाया, उसके पीछे भी रीजन है, क्योंकि बहुत ही फर्स्ट क्लास है अभी, राइट। सो सिंपली मैं सब सारे डिवाइसेस पे गया। क्या स्टेप फॉलो किया वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सबके लिए सेम है। मैं जैसे मान लो पीसी 0 पे आईपी देना था, तो मैं पीसी 0 पे गया और उसके बाद कॉन्फ़िग वाले पे क्लिक किया। जब आप खोलोगे ना पीसी 0 का कुछ भी, तो ऐसे खुलेगा ये। एक बार क्लिक करने पे इस तरह से दिखेगा। एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट ये कहाँ पे था, फिजिकल पे। मैंने कॉन्फ़िग पे क्लिक किया और फास्ट ईथरनेट 0 FA0 मुझे आईपी देना है। मैं इधर आया, फास्ट ईथरनेट 0 को सर्च किया, यहाँ क्लिक करने के बाद यहाँ पे आईपी लिख दिया स्टैटिक वाले सेक्शन में। ठीक है, सेम यही चीज मैंने इधर भी किया, सेम मेथड। फिजिकल पे रहा, कॉन्फ़िग पे करा, मैंने फास्ट ईथरनेट 0 पे आके इधर कर दिया। सेम मैंने राउटर के साथ भी किया, उधर भी ऑप्शन है गो ऑन गीगर ईथरनेट, लाइक गो ऑन योर राउटर। राउटर पे गया, फिजिकल पे पहले सेट था, मैंने कॉन्फ़िग पे आया मैं, और यहाँ पे मैंने इंटरफेस ढूंढा गिग 0/0/0, यहाँ क्लिक किया। अब देखो यहाँ आईपी दे दिया। करेक्ट। सिचुएशन थोड़ा इसमें डिफरेंट है, राउटर है, अलग डिवाइस है, और अलग इंटरफेस जो था मेरा गिग 00Y1 पे, उस पे आईपी देना था, उस पे भी सेम दे दिया। देखो, करेक्ट। सेम इसका हो गया, इस पे भी आके सेम कर दिया। तो ये इतने ही थी डिवाइसेज हमारे पास, पीसी और राउटर, इतना ही था देवेंद्र जी। इज दैट फाइन?
हाँ सर, ओके ओके, इसमें क्लिक करके अपन वहां पे जाके कॉन्फ़िग में जाके उसमें आईपी देना है बस, ओके ना?
हाँ, सिंपल, बिकॉज
ओके।
इट्स वेरी फर्स्ट क्लास, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट डूइंग इन अनदर वे। अदरवाइज इट विल बी लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स ना, क्योंकि मैंने डायरेक्ट आईपी देना कॉन्फ़िगर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया। जबकि सही बात ये होती है, थियरी पढ़ते हैं लोग पहले, उसके बाद फिर जाते हैं डिटेल में। इन आवर लास्ट 2 क्लासेज वी हैव सीन थियरी पार्ट एज वेल। सो यहां से, इसलिए मैंने इधर से स्टार्ट किया, एटलीस्ट वी शुड स्टार्ट ऑन आवर सिलेबस। सो इस वजह से मैंने आईपी देना स्टार्ट कर दिया। आई होप सब समझ में आ गया होगा देवेंद्र आपको, राइट? इज देयर एनीवन
ओके।
एल्स हैव एनी डाउट, लाइक डिफरेंट डाउट? यस रिचर्ड।
इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं टोटली? अब ये जैसे आपने पूरा एक ये बनाया,
हम्म।
बराबर, दो आपने ये बनाया, दो राउटर लगाया, एक स्विच, दो स्विच, और चार कंप्यूटर लगाए, तो इसको पूरे प्रोसेस को यानी क्या, यहाँ से अपना
ये
अपने
ये
इंटरनेट।
एक सिंपल, इसको बोलते हैं एक सिंपल, क्या सिंपल टोपोलॉजी, नॉट सिंपल, सिंपल टोपोलॉजी। लाइक इसी तरह से कुछ हमारे कंपनीज के अंदर के इंफ्रा होते हैं, बहुत ही बेसिक। अगर इंफ्रा की आप बात करोगे, माइट बी विल नॉट गेट दिस पर्टिकुलर राउटर देयर। एक राउटर होगा, उससे कनेक्ट होंगे बहुत सारे डिवाइसेस, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वीलैन होंगे, उसमें कनेक्टेड होंगे। मैंने एक सिंपल सा नेटवर्क यहाँ पे डिजाइन किया है, जिसमें मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, कह रहा हूँ कि ये कंपनी है, एक कंपनी है जिसका नाम है ABC। कंपनी का नाम कुछ भी है, मान लो कंपनी का नाम है ABC। ठीक है। अब इस कंपनी के अंदर में आप एक नेटवर्क इंजीनियर हो, आपको जिम्मेदारी मिली कि भाई यहाँ पे HR टीम है, HR टीम के सबके सारे यूजर्स को क्या करो, एक स्विच से कनेक्ट कर दो। आपने स्विच से कनेक्ट कर दिया, स्विच को आगे एक राउटर से कनेक्ट कर दो, और उस राउटर को दूसरे राउटर से कनेक्ट कर दो, और जो दूसरा राउटर है उससे इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट कर दो। सो कोई इस तरह से आपको एक टास्क मिला। तो आपने क्या किया, एचआर का एक क्या बनाया, एचआर का एक अलग से रैक टाइप का बनाया, और आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि यहाँ पे एक स्विच है इस रैक पे। रैक बोले तो, जब मैं रैक बोलता हूँ कैसे दिखता है वो भी दिखाता हूँ आपको। नेटवर्क रैक कुछ इस तरह से दिखता है रैक, ठीक है। आप कंपनी के अंदर कुछ इस तरह से देखोगे, ये
हाँ,
रैक है।
तो मैं देखता हूँ सर, हाँ कंपनी में जाता हूँ मैं।
हाँ, तो ऐसा रैक है, इस पे एक स्विच लगी है। अब स्विच पर से वायर निकल के जा रहा है, नीचे नीचे वो केबल लगा लगा के सारे कंपनी के अलग अलग बिल्डिंग में पहुंचाया गया होता है वो केबल, तो ठीक है। तो वहां से एक केबल कनेक्ट होके जो आ रही है आपके इधर कनेक्ट हो रही है, आपके इस रैक में मान लो एक स्विच है, स्विच 1, वहां पे सारे ये 4 वाले जितने पर्सन है उनकी केबल यहाँ से निकल के जा रही है उनके डिपार्टमेंट में। सेम वही चीज को मैंने यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया है कि ये पीसी है, ये स्विच से कनेक्ट हो रही है, PC 1 है, स्विच से कनेक्ट हो रही है, फिर ये यही स्विच उसी रैक में एक राउटर भी रखा हुआ है ऊपर, उससे कनेक्ट हो रही है जाके। गेटिंग इट? एक डिवाइस मान लो ये हो गई, ये मान लो स्विच, ये स्विच है, इसके ऊपर मान लो राउटर रखा हुआ है, स्विच से निकल के किससे कनेक्ट हो रही है, राउटर से। केबल तो इसमें दिख ही नहीं रहा, केबल वाला दिखाता हूँ आपको। cables,
कोई नहीं सर,
cables.
ये देखा है एक्चुअली, कंपनी में जाते रहता हूँ।
हाँ, that's good. That's good then. Yeah, Devender, right? Like see this one. यहाँ से केबल निकल करके क्या हो रही है, आपके पीसीज में जा रही है, और यहाँ से फिर एक केबल निकाल करके आप क्या कर रहे हो, देखो एक केबल बाहर से आई हुई इधर से कहीं से, इधर से एक केबल उठा करके आप किस में कनेक्ट कर रहे हो, अपने राउटर में कनेक्ट कर रहे हो। तो ऐसा ही सेम इधर है। देन ये राउटर जो उसी रैक में रखा है, सारे राउटर भी उसी में रखे, स्विच भी उसी में रखी है, लेकिन ये दिखाने के लिए लॉजिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे रहा हूं मैं आपको, सो दैट यहाँ समझो किस तरह से कनेक्टेड है। फिर उस स्विच से केबल निकल के जा रहा है, अलग बिल्डिंग में अलग पीसीज कनेक्ट हो रही हैं। फिर ये जो दूसरा राउटर है, ये आईएसपी लिंक से कनेक्टेड है, जहां से इंटरनेट मिल रहा है कंपनी को, सो दैट कोई भी यूजर यहाँ जो बैठा है उसको इंटरनेट पे जाना तो जा पाए। तो एक बहुत ही बेसिक सी हमने यहाँ पे डिजाइन बनाई थी, और इस डिजाइन को हम देखेंगे कम से कम 3 से 4 क्लास में, इसको पूरा कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे। बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट हैं जिसको जिसको हम समझेंगे इसी वाले डिजाइन में। तो हमने सबसे पहला काम किया, डिजाइन बना दिया, एचआर वाले लोगों को इधर बना दिया कि एक स्विच उनको दे दिया, और सेल्स वालों को एक अलग अलग बना दिया, उनको एक स्विच दे दिया, और एक राउटर लगा दिया एचआर के लिए, एक राउटर में लगा दिया सेल्स के लिए, और दोनों को आपस में कनेक्ट करके फिर एक राउटर को मैंने इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट कर दिया। बात समझ में आ रही है? यस।
हाँ सर, हाँ।
यस रिचर्ड, यू वांटेड टू स्पीक समथिंग, प्लीज कम। यस रिचर्ड।
Hey, I don't understand you, so I didn't get the network rack. I saw you explain some network rack.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't get about rack,
But
right?
I don't understand that. I
Okay,
didn't get that, please.
no issue. So let me tell
I
you.
don't understand the. Okay,
I am going to explain you, don't worry.
okay.
So see, is this you are able to understand what is this? This is something like you can say one container that we call it cabinet or rack. Is that okay? Yeah. So what happened
Okay.
actually, once
Yeah.
I'm talking about switch, router or server, all the devices will be mounted here. Okay. Like they will be fitted here only
Okay.
in somewhere in your server room or some uh, routing or switching room. Is that okay now till here understanding? Yes,
Yeah.
Richard.
Yeah, I understand.
So what happened in our class, whatever we are seeing here, that I am showing just for logical one. This is logical representation. Okay.
Okay.
But the real physical one is little bit different. That is not really same. Physical one is something that is different. And if you want to see the physical one, most probably you should have here. See here, this is logical, this is physical. Let me show you. I don't think it. This is your home. This is your corporate office. See, you're getting it. So just suppose this is your rack. The same thing. And here main wiring. All the building structure is even here. See. Here your all the PCs are connected. Let me open this. Are you able to see now here? See how it is looking like. On the same rack, you have router here, you have
Yeah, I
another
can
router
see.
here, you have all the switches. And see, if they are able, they are connected. See, able to see it.
Yeah, I can see.
So actually, in logically they are like this, but physically they are like this. Only in one rack, and they all together are connected here using some link. This is the link that is connected to whom? That is connected to your. If you see here on the internet, able to see. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
And here see, this is the link between both the routers. Able to see it. I think no, this is not that.
Yes, I can
Otherwise, you
see.
can relate. I am not able to see. Tell you completely. Let me tell you in another way. One second. 1 second. Just 1 second. This is switch. This is again switch. And what is this? This is router 0. Now you can see like every level is there. This is router 4 above 1. This one router 4. This one is router 0, I think. This is router 0. So router 4 is on very top. Okay. This is router 4. Power distribution unit. No, this is power distribution unit. From here we are starting. This is router 0. This is your switch. This is your switch. This is your another router. Most probably it would be router 4. It is your router 3. Okay. Router 4, router 3. This is router 0. And apart from that, there are switches. Able to see it? Now they all are connected with each other. See, this is the connection cable between your, this cable it is showing there, directly connected if you are able to see. This cable, see? And this cable is connecting to your, this router with the front router, like this router. This router 3 with this.
Okay.
And now switches are connected with each other? No. Nowhere you will see like switches are connected anywhere. No. However, those switches are connected once with some devices. Get it?
दोनों राउटर को आपस में कनेक्ट करने के लिए वैन पोर्ट का इस्तेमाल करने का, लैन पोर्ट का?
LAN port, sir.
ओके ओके.
Like ports are there, but once anything is connected with your devices, like that depends. If that is upstream link or downstream link. Getting it? So most probably within the company, we use downstream link. That is just the name, and the concept is like, if any link is sending traffic out from your company, that we say like upstream link. Okay. And if there is any link that is bringing traffic within your LAN or doing all the sending task within the company, that we call like downstream link. Making sense?
अच्छा, अपने पास अगर दो आईएसपी है तो एक राउटर से हो जाएगा क्या? फायरवॉल लगाना पड़ेगा उसके बीच में?
मतलब दो IP means public IP you are talking about?
Yes, sir. To public IP यानी ISP, बराबर.
Right. If you want to use only one IP, then that is okay. You can use. Like, see, this is only the router which is there in edge now, who is connected to the ISP. Or
मगर
if you
टू आईएसपी अपने पास.
two IP अपने पास है. No need to use two IPs. That depends on the design. Like अगर आपको use करना है एक ही IP, then you can use. If you need two
Right,
IPs, then you can use. That totally depend on you.
My question is that I have Jio ISP or Airtel.
हाँ, okay.
Two ISP we have. So how to connect to each other? ऐसा.
हाँ, ओके. सो कनेक्ट करो ना आप. इधर एक IP लगाओ जियो के लिए, एक लगाओ एयरटेल के लिए. कोई इशू नहीं है.
तो
क्या?
राउटर पे तो वैन पोर्ट एक ही होता है ऐसा?
नहीं होता एक ही है. आप नहीं ऐसा नहीं, एक ही पोर्ट नहीं होता भाई.
अच्छा.
ऐसा नहीं होता, एक ही पोर्ट होता है आपके पास. उसमें जब आप लेके आते हो ना, लेट मी शो यू. अगर आप जैसे यहाँ तो फिजिकली नहीं दिखेगा आपको, अगर मैं उसको ओपन करूँ, माइट बी सी फिजिकल. देखो ये राउटर है. यस, ये देखो कितने हैं. ये क्या है? ये है आपका एक लिंक जिसको आप बोलते हो फाइबर लिंक. नाउ यू कैन रीड हियर एज वेल.
बराबर.
RJ40 RJ11 connector which are used to basic this is for telephone, sorry, not this. पढ़ो इधर लिखा होगा अभी, फाइबर का लिखा होगा. Like you, I can show you the module as well. ये एक्चुअल में रियल राउटर जैसा होता, सेम यहाँ भी दिख रहा है. तो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड विद दैट. लाइक सी फॉर कॉपर मीडिया. ओके.
Okay.
And there are so many. Fast Ethernet interface for use with fiber media. This one I am saying. ये दिख रहा है?
हाँ, ओके.
तो ये अब यहाँ पे देखो 1 2 3 4. There are 4 more ports are available. Like these are the open slots where you can set these modules. आप you can bring that particular module and you can insert there. आपने यहाँ पे सेट कर दिया. तो आप जो whatever router you will purchase or switch you will purchase in the market, from market, you will have chance to insert so many ports there, whatever you have requirement. Again, that depends on the model, what model you are purchasing. Okay.
तो सबसे बेस्ट राउटर कौन सा होता है? जैसे मान के चलो अगर कंपनी में अपने को पूरा सेटअप करने का, तो बेस्ट राउटर कौन सा होता है?
Again, this is actually not a valid question. Let me tell you why. That totally depend on the company requirement and company budgeting, okay, and the company size. Like अगर आप बोले कौन सा बेस्ट राउटर होता है, सारे राउटर इज बेस्ट ना. That's why they are in the market. So that depends totally on your budget and what is your company requirement. Is that good? So let's suppose your company has requirement like they do not want to really go with very high level configuration or high level infra. So most probably they are not going to use even any firewall. They just purchase they will not purchase even router. What they will purchase instead? They will purchase some switch that have router capability as well as switching capability, like layer 3 switch. Are you getting that? Yes, Devender?
हाँ सर
तो इस तरह से डिपेंड करता है, लाइक आस्किंग दिस कि कौन सा राउटर कौन स्विच विल बी द गुड, नो इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली वैलिड क्वेश्चन, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट. जैसे अभी रिक्वायरमेंट लेके आया भाई, मुझे क्या चाहिए कि मुझे एक ऐसा राउटर चाहिए जिसके पास बहुत सारा अच्छा पावर बैकअप हो, दैट हैज सो पावरफुल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. नाउ दैट अगेन डिपेंड्स व्हाई आर यू बाइंग दैट. Let's suppose you are working in a company having only 20 employees working there. Why will you buy any router that is costing you 40 lakhs? Will you do that? No. You will go somewhere with the very cheap solution, like somewhere from Nokia you will be buying some router, or some other vendor you are going to buy some router, not from Cisco even. Again, that totally depends on the requirement of the company and what is the task you want to achieve. Is that okay? Yes, Richard, you understand now what is the rack?
Yeah, I understand.
So actually what happened, your networking devices, you will see always, they will be set somewhere in one room only. And once
Okay,
it comes to your
let me ask this.
PCs. Yes, Richard, come.
Okay, with the rack, do they already have the router and switch inside, or you have to set them in, like fix them?
Actually, I really apologize. Your voice is coming, but it's breaking somewhere. Cracking sound I'm getting. Not complete voice I'm getting. Yes. Can you come up again and can ask, please?
Okay, I have the rack. You are going to fix the equipment in.
I'm again not getting.
Can you hear me?
Would request kindly type if you, because your voice is not really audible well, like it's breaking somewhere in between once you start speaking. So do one thing, if you are okay, then you please go ahead and write here. I'll be reading that and will then answer your question. Anyone else has any question? Because today will be sum up here only. If you have any question, then I'll be answering and will be finishing the class. Is that okay, sir? Who is there? Like
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not able to see name today. I think it's only showing.
Yeah, Arun,
Hi,
sir.
Arun. Yeah, Arun. Is that okay, na?
No, yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can just sum up the session today, and we are going to start with the day 2 tomorrow itself.
That's okay. That's okay. I find it well. So, Richard, type there if you have that question. I'll be answering. No worry.
Okay, let me ask of the gateway. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, with the gateway, I didn't get that word because I left when you were explaining that. So what you said the gateway was?
Arun, can you please help me to understand what he's saying? Sorry, I do understand his few
Richard?
things, but
Richard, are you using any kind of mic or headphone? Because no one able to listen you clearly. Can you please repeat it again? Or otherwise, you can also mention your query over the chat itself. Amit sir will going to answer this.
you didn't get the gateway, yeah? Okay, let me tell you. So gateway is nothing but just a device, okay? Who helps your inside users to go on another network, okay? Richard, now let's understand. This is your PC0. So PC0 is technically reachable only with this HR team members. Like PC0 can talk to PC1, PC0 can talk to this router till here. Why? Because this routers, this node, this particular port, and PC1, they all are connected using this switch. And because they are connected with using this switch, so they are able to talk with each other. But once the time comes where this PC0 wants to talk with somewhere that is not with connected with this particular switch. See, if PC0 wants to talk with PC2, so where that PC2 is connected? Is that PC2 is connected with the same switch or some other switch? Yeah, tell me in chat. PC2 is connected with switch, another switch, right? That is switch 1. But where PC0 is connected, that is connected with switch 0. So because they are not connected with the same network, if PC0 now wants to talk with PC2, who will be helping to PC0 to talk? That particular device is known as gateway. Is that okay? And who is the gateway here? Who is that device who can help you to go outside? Now see the topology and say me. That is most probably this router, right? That is again connected with some another router. Then again, so who will be your immediate support in this way? PC0 will send all the traffic to your this device. And that device will be known for this PC0 as a gateway. Gateway means someone who is helping your local area network devices to talk with another network. Is that okay?
Yeah, okay.
You got it now? Yeah. Any other question? One question we can take. Okay. I don't think, sir, Arun, sir, there is any question.
Yes, sir. I guess everything is clear.
Yes, we did only simple step today. That was the IP configuration. So let me tell you guys what we are going to discuss tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be heading towards and we'll be seeing all these parts. And what is that? Let me write it down for you here. So at least you will have idea what we are going to do tomorrow. Second will be understanding ARP tomorrow. Okay.
हेलो
Yes.
सर,
Hi.
आईपी के एकदम लास्ट में /24 डालते, क्यों डालते सर? वो मुझे एक्चुअली बस वो थोड़ा डाउट था।
अच्छा, /24 क्यों डालते हैं? /24 ही
हाँ
नहीं डालते, और भी चीजें डालते हैं। /8 भी
हाँ वो
डालते हैं,
हाँ
/16 भी डालते हैं, /17 भी डालते हैं, 10 भी डालते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें डालते हैं। तो जो
हाँ
आईपी के बाद में आपका स्लैश वैल्यू के बाद जो वैल्यू होता है ना, जैसे मान लो /24 आप पूछ रहे हो, इसका मतलब होता है, ऐसे पूरा लिखता हूँ, जैसे लिखा है 192 168 1.1, ऐसे करके देखा होगा आपने बहुत ज्यादा जगहों पे ना।
हाँ सर, हाँ
तो इसका मतलब ये होता है, इस गिवन आईपी में 24 बिट्स बिलोंग टू नेटवर्क। ठीक है,
ओके
मतलब क्या हुआ, ये जो स्लैश के बाद वैल्यू होता है ना, एनी वैल्यू आफ्टर द स्लैश टेल्स द नंबर ऑफ नेटवर्क बिट्स इन दिस आईपी, इन दिस गिवन आईपी। ओके, सो अगर मैं यहां पे बात करूं 192 168 1.1 और यहां बोलूं /24, तो टेक्निकली ये जो 1.1/24 है, क्या है? इट इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 32 बिट्स, राइट? 32 बिट का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, कोई भी आईपी होता है।
ओके हाँ
एमंग देम 24 बिलोंग टू नेटवर्क, ओके, एंड रेस्ट बिलोंग टू होस्ट। बात समझ में आई? तो अगर मैं इसको तोड़ूंगा तो कैसे होगा? ये ऐसे ऐसे करके होता, 8.8.8.8, मतलब इतने इतने बिट्स आई एम सेइंग, ऐसे समझो, एक्स 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 एक्स, हो गया 8 बार। तो इसको ऐसे समझोगे ना तो आपको अच्छा समझ में आएगा। लेट मी गो अहेड एंड मेक इट मोर इजी। अब है क्या, अब इस वाले के जगह पे मेरे पास 192 है ना, इस 8 बिट की जगह पे, मतलब कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज बिट्स इज बिकमिंग 192। इसके जगह पे 168 है, और यहाँ पे 1 है, और यहाँ पे क्या है? 1। ये बात समझ में आई? तो ये क्या बोल रहा है, कह रहा है
हाँ हाँ
स्टार्टिंग के जो ये 3 है ना, 3 यानी 24 बिट यहाँ तक, ये नेटवर्क से बिलोंग करते हैं। और स्टार्टिंग का जो ये 8 बिट है ये किससे बिलोंग कर रहा है? होस्ट से। तो जो आप आईपीज वगैरह देते हो ना, आईपी वी असाइन टू आवर सिस्टम्स, आईपी वी असाइन टू hosts or users or devices, we use last 8 bits for that. That is here in our case 8 bits. Okay, like host portion you can say. बात समझ में आई या नहीं? तो ये बोल रहे हैं नेटवर्क है, तो यानी अपने राउटिंग टेबल वगैरह में अगर देखोगे ना तो ये नेटवर्क ऐसे दिख रहा होगा, ऐसे। तो ये नेटवर्क आईडी पता लग जाती है। /24 का मतलब कितने बिट आपके क्या है, नेटवर्क से बिलोंग करते हो, कितने आपके होस्ट से। तो जो /24 का ये भी मतलब होता है कितने बिट 1 है, ओके, कितने 0 हैं। ध्यान से देखोगे तो ये होस्ट वाला पोर्शन हमेशा 0 दिखेगा आपको। मोर थिंग यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एट द टाइम ऑफ सबनेटिंग। जब मैं आपको सबनेटिंग बताऊंगा ना, तब आप ये फटाफट सारी चीजें समझ जाओगे, क्यों हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है। ऑल राइट,
ठीक,
सो
ओके
हम
सर।
कल जो देखेंगे वो देखेंगे आईपी एड्रेस मोस्ट प्रोबेबली। लास्ट क्लास में भी आईपी एड्रेस हमने देखा था, वहां पे रोक दिया था, लेकिन अब हम और जल्दी देखने वाले हैं आईपी एड्रेस। सो गाइज, सचिन सर, सचिन बोल रहा हूँ, अरुण सर विल
हाँ
बी
जी, हाँ जी।
सीइंग द आईपी एड्रेस टुमारो। सो
ओके
अगर
सर।
आपको किसी को बताना है, लाइक if anyone
स्टूडेंट्स को।
more wants to join, then please convey that IP address we are going to see in detail. That will be IP address version 4.
श्योर श्योर सर। तो आज भी आईपी था ना?
आज सर था, एक हिसाब से देखो तो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ CCNA सिलेबस, मतलब हमने आज CCNA सिलेबस स्टार्ट कर दिया सर एक्चुअली। तो हमने क्या किया, आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन किया है ऑन डिवाइसेस, हाउ टू डू आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, बेसिक स्टफ। अब कल हम देखेंगे जो आईपी कॉन्फ़िगर किया है होता क्या है आईपी पहले, then we'll move ahead towards what is MAC, then we'll move ahead towards what is MAC address, then we'll move ahead what are the other protocols like ARP, correct, and so many. अभी तक इतना ही रोड मैप जाने हम लोग। इस हफ्ते मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वी आर गोइंग टू नॉक आउट ओनली ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दैट्स इट। इस पूरे हफ्ते मैक्सिमम बाय फ्राइडे।
श्योर सर, श्योर सर।
ठीक है, बहुत ही
ओके।
स्लो चलेंगे। जो लोग अभी हो उनके लिए भी ये मैसेज है, गाइज whoever has joined, let me tell you very important, that is will be going not very fast, will be going slow, step by step, by following all the things in detail in very understandable manner, and I will keep asking you guys, as well as I will make you guys engaged in activities where you will be doing all those configuration. I'll be giving you some homework, or I'll be giving you some topology. There you itself will configure all the things. Then on the basis of that, you will definitely go and will grab good experience. Okay, that's the plan, guys. Thank you. Yes, Sachin, sorry, why I'm saying again Sachin, I'm very used to
No
talk with Sachin actually.
no
So,
issues, sir. No issues. So
okay,
thank
Arun,
you so much,
so
sir.
thank
Yeah.
you. Hi, Richard, Devendra, Sanjeev, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Arun.
Thank you
Sahil,
so
thank you
much,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you.
And thank you so
Thank
much,
you, sir.
guys, for joining us today. So tomorrow we will discuss about the IP addressing tomorrow, as already conveyed by the sir. And whoever not got the admission, you can check with our counselor and you can go for the enrollment. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.